Hey, I'm Avinash Patram, and in this video, you're going to know about English Fluency Marathon. No matter what job you have in your life, your success will be determined 5% by your academic credentials, 15% by your professional experience, and 80% by your communication skills. And the most important business language in the job market is English. 5 reasons why you should improve your English. Number 1. In corporate India, the officially written and most commonly acceptable spoken language is English. Number 2. English is the powerhouse of knowledge repository and the medium of instruction is English in most courses. Number 3. English remains the most prevalent language understood by about a third of the world's population, which is almost 3 billion people. Number 4. Interviewer is better impressed if you speak English fluently. And number 5. If you speak English fluently and confidently, you will have more opportunities. Now, in order to improve your English, we have a self-learning program called English Fluency Marathon on an online platform called LearnWorld. Now, the goal of the English Fluency Marathon is to build your English fluency for employability. Now, whether you are from a vernacular background or your English fluency needs improvement, the EFM program can help you to acquire this power skill to achieve your potential. It does not matter where you're coming from. All that matters is where you're going and what efforts you're putting in to get there. Now, one cannot learn communication skills overnight. It is a long journey, a marathon. Hence, we have put together a marathon plan for you. 50 days, 50 sprints, 100 minutes per sprint. 5,000 minutes is your total commitment to building your fluency. The communication process has 5 major components: listening, reading, writing, speaking, and grammar. And according to that, the daily sprints are divided into the following sections. The day starts with a daily catch-up video, and in this section, the learner watches bite-sized learning modules on a specific topic. Through this video connect, we want to help individuals to stay on track with regular ounces of motivation and inspirational talks. That is followed by a listening exercise. Here, the learner watches a video or listens to a podcast, and that is followed by a reading exercise. In this section, you will be provided with a short story or a blog link in each sprint, which you have to read in detail and answer the questions in the exercise that follows. That is followed by a writing exercise. You will be required to summarize the entire content provided in the listening exercise of the respective sprint. And that is followed by speaking exercise, which again has 2 sections. In the first section, you will have to sing along with the lyrics which will be shown in the video, listen to the pronunciation, read the word properly, and go with the flow. In section 2, you will have to do a 3-minute Zoom recording talking about any topic of your choice and upload it on your Google Drive. And that is followed by a grammar exercise. So there will be a video on one grammar concept each day, and an exercise follows the grammar video which needs to be answered. So what are you waiting for? Join our Industry Readiness program, build your employability quotient, and ace the interview to kickstart your career.